Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Lexus side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, such as a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Next, ensure you have the correct replacement mirror assembly for your specific Lexus model. Always park your vehicle on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake before starting any work. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental movement during the repair process. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully detaching the interior door panel. This step provides access to the mirror's electrical wiring. Once the panel is off, disconnect all electrical connectors that are linked to the old mirror. Finally, unbolt the entire old mirror assembly from the door frame. Keep these bolts safe, as you might need them for the new installation. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame and firmly secure it using the bolts you saved or new ones provided. Next, reconnect all electrical wiring to the new mirror's components. Before putting everything back together, test the mirror's electronic functions, such as adjustments and heating, to ensure everything works correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips are properly secured and the panel fits snugly. Once the panel is back on, adjust your new mirror for optimal visibility and safe driving. Take a moment to ensure all angles are correct. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.